it's our first animals of the day. We've got doves, finches, and pigeons. Do you see any? Do you see them? Oh, they're flying.
Ah, they're so cute.
They're finches.
I hope they don't
They're
fly
so
away.
cute.
I want more animals.
I think we can probably grab one. You see them?
I'd
There's
like a
like
pet
tiny
finch.
green ones. Yeah, that would be so cute. The tiny little green ones. We could grab it and bring it home.
Let's admire them a little longer. Oh, they're so pretty. I
are
love the
really
little light
pretty.
green and blue ones.
Yeah, the blue ones are really cool. Oh my
I'm
God,
so jealous,
cute.
Toma. I wish I could fly.
I wish I could fly too. That would be so freaking cool. And then we could fly with all the birds.
Yeah. We could form a flying gang and rule the skies.
Exactly, exactly. I'm glad we're on the same page here. Let's see if there's any birds here. Do you see any birds here? Oh, there's one down there. It's a tiny little guy.
Aw, he's so cute.
He's very cute. It's a Wonga pigeon. Ooh.
I've never heard of a Wonga pigeon before. Are they native to the
I've
UK
never heard of
or
it
Europe?
either. They're in Australia.
Ah, Australia has such cool wildlife.
They are pretty cool. I don't know much about like the wildlife in Australia. I only know that there's kangaroos and like big spiders. Have you heard about that?
Yeah, there are huge spiders over there. I've always
That's
wanted
so
a
scary.
pet spider.
Do you
It's
like
not
spiders?
scary. They're not my favorite thing in the world, but as far as animals go, they're certainly top 10.
Really? I don't really like spiders. They kind of scare me.
Ah, that's okay. If I owned a spider, I'd make sure to keep it away from you.
Thank
But I
you.
feel like they
You'll
have a
protect
bad
me.
reputation just because they're creepy crawlies.
That is true. Yeah, they're pretty scary though. I feel like their texture is kind of scary.
Yeah, I do wonder what it would be like to touch one.
It's probably going to be pretty crunchy, like a cockroach. Do you see the bird? He's up there on the branch. Oh, and there's one right there too.
That bird is looking a little too cocky. Maybe we should get rid of it.
I think we should. I brought a water gun. Look
Perfect.
at him running.
Ha.
So cute. So cute. So cute.